This is Obsidian 9925. The random will only take place if there's the Man U card. Good luck to all. Here we go. All right, here we go. Yeah, oh, well, yeah, there's some redemptions going out over the past couple of days. This one, redemption. All right, guess the redemption. Jamar Chase is still good. James Maddison for Leicester, numbered 15 and 26. Guess team. Mats Hummels for Borussia Dortmund, numbered 3 of 44. And Rico Henry for Brentford, Vitreous, numbered 18 and 26. We'll leave that redemption till last. Well, everyone's saying Ronaldo time. Man City, Leicester City. Tell you what, it's Ronaldo time for Man United, which means we are doing a giveaway. Number just 18 of 26. Beautiful card right there. We then have for Italy, it is Alberto Gilardino. Juan Cuadrado, numbered 35 of 44 for Colombia. And a red flood, Lucas Nemeka for Germany. Jeez, everyone's pretty confident. I can't use that, but I can use this. Jersey Autographs, Electric Etch, Red Pulsar, card 16, Danny Ings. Who does Danny Ings play for? Beautiful Pinaldo. Danny Ings. In that set, Jersey Autographs, Electric Etch, Red Pulsar. So the set will be Jersey Autographs. Kaditsa says Aston Villa. Oops, someone else has said West Ham. We've got a fight on our hands. Oh, more people saying Aston Villa. No one said. All right, 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. Whoever is on top at the end will win Man United. Good luck to all. There's a really nice Ronaldo on the way to somebody. Here we go. Good luck. All right, let's hope that says 41 on it. Good luck. 1. Yep. 2. 3. 4. And 5. The winner is Everton with Alan. 5 times. Alan Kirsten on top, picking up the beautiful Ronaldo base. 5 times. Got to meet Alan on the weekend. What a lovely gentleman. Well deserved. That is that.